exciting. Yeah, it was
Thank
really
you.
exciting and thrilling. Excellent.
Yeah.
California. But make it perfect.
The over here.
So we can have the tea party now, right? We're ready. Hip, hip, cheerio.
You want more?
Well, there's just another little thing. Yeah? To have the perfect cup of tea, you must brew it in the perfect teapot. Yeah?
Later, when you
And
finish that one,
drink it from the perfect teacup.
I'll give you more.
Yeah? Which we just need to borrow. Borrow? From who? From the Emperor of the Ming Empire. We'll just pop over to his palace and ask him. Oh man. Come along, everyone. It's not far at all. Making a perfect cup of tea certainly is complicated. I'll say that again. Making a perfect cup of tea certainly is complicated. Quickly now, don't dawdle.
Shh.
No.
I do hope the Emperor is at home.
Okay na. No more.